Hello, today I'll be showing you how to remove the barrel off of a Midland shotgun, backpacker shotgun. I believe this works for all of the models, because there's only 3. If there's any differences, please let me know. I don't think there would be. Maybe in the 410 there is, since that uses a different barrel, a very different barrel. It is a fixed choke. So the first step is to make sure your shotgun's empty. Now, take your, you'll need the Allen key it comes with, a wooden mallet. That's really all you need, or a hammer, small hammer, a rubber hammer. But it helps to have a little something to rest the gun on while you're hitting the pin out, and a piece of tape. So, now that you've got that done, you've got all your supplies, there's a little set screw, and there it is right there. Take your Allen key, put it in there, make sure you get a good grip, and just give it a light twist. Once you've got it loosens up really easily. Once you get it loose, you could actually take it out with your fingers. It's just easier with the Allen wrench. Oh, and there it went. Here it is. It's the set screw. It's very small, so don't lose it. Put it in a safe place. Now, there's 2 faces to the barrel pin. There's a smaller face, and then there's the bigger face. Tip it up so the smaller face is facing upwards. Now take your little dowel or whatever, put it under your gun so that the pin has room to come out. Now take your little piece of tape. Just get a nice sized piece. Take it, fold it in half once, and again, so you have a nice little thick piece of tape. Put that exactly over the pin, and that'll prevent the pin from getting scratched, or it should. Take your little Allen wrench, put it directly on top of the pin. I'll give it a light. It's a bit hard to do. You don't want to hammer into the receiver. Just a light little tap. And you'll feel it goes really easily. I've got it almost all the way through. There. And now that it's about halfway out, just take it, grab the gun firmly, since when you remove this pin, the barrel and the receiver part are going to be in 2 pieces, so they're going to be a little bit loose. Now take it, just pull it out gently. The barrel's going to move in a second. Oh, almost. There. Now, the barrel and the receiver part of it are separate. This makes it easier for cleaning for both of them. So, now that you have them both apart, here's the pin. As you can see, there's a larger face and a smaller face, and there's a little groove for the set screw to go into. Now this will be nice if Midland releases their barrel set. They're supposedly going to release some centerfire and rimfire barrels, which will be very nice. It'll turn a little single shot shotgun into a rifle, which will be very nice since it's really cheap. But now, take your barrel, get it nice and lined up for putting the pin back in. So, like what you had, it should be there with the top pin facing up now, the larger face facing up. Get it nice and aligned well. Just about. Now take your pin and just insert it in the barrel. Like that. Oh, and you should just be able to use your thumb to put it all the way back in. No hammer required. Now that you have that in, take your set screw and your Allen wrench and find that little hole again that the set screw goes into. There it is. It's on this side. Oh. It's a bit tricky at first. Oh. And once you get it, you just finger thread it in there. Almost. Get the thread started. You can almost put it all the way. Now take your Allen key and just twist it gently. And I'll get it nice and tight. And then just make it so it's not like ridiculously tight, but tight enough so it won't come loose. Since the last thing you want is the set screw coming loose and then the barrel pin coming loose. Especially because the set pin is so small that, or the set screw, that you could easily lose it outside. Now that's all it's required. It's a very simple process. It requires like 3 tools. So, yeah, that's in it. Not that difficult. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment them, and remember to like and subscribe for this video.